Good morning. Today we're at Kenwood Mall in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to go check out the new Disney store. They just reopened, but first we're going to go get something to eat. As soon as you come in Kenwood Mall here, they have a sign. You do have to wear your mask. They put up these signs to kind of make you feel better about the situation. You do have to wear your mask all throughout the mall. They have all these helpful signs all throughout the mall here to help you keep socially distant. Seems like they're doing a pretty good job. There's not too many people here, but we're gonna look around, check things out. They have a Vera Bradley here at the mall. And if you look in the window here, got a bunch of Vera Bradley Harry Potter stuff. Nice book bag there. Purse and a backpack sack. Got the house's logo there on that backpack. Pretty cool. Going down the escalator. What you see? Well, we've reached the food court. Not sure what I want yet, but they got quite a selection. Point out this Fresh Healthy Cafe here. It's pretty awesome. They make really good smoothies, all natural, organic. And what would a mall be without Chick-fil-A? As you throw your food away, they're not doing trays, so they'll give you a bag and you just go to your table. But they have Purell wipes here. Pretty convenient. And they are spacing the tables out at least 6 feet apart and blocking some of them off, so that's good. We ended up going with Chick-fil-A here. Never go wrong with Chick-fil-A. Got us a couple chicken sandwiches and the waffle fries. Well, the nice thing about sitting here and being able to eat at the table, you can take your mask off. They are doing a great job at this mall. They have hand sanitizer everywhere. While we're just sitting here for a minute, I wanted to show off Jessica's backpack purse here. It's a Loungefly Disney Christmas treats. Looks delicious. And one of the most important places in this mall. Oh yeah. Oh, we found a Lego store. Definitely gonna go in here. Check out that Star Destroyer. Millennium Falcon here. I don't know how many pieces that is, but I bet it's a lot. Got the Disney Railroad Station here. Pretty awesome. Goofy up top. We got a Lego Central Perk from the TV show Friends. This one here is pretty cool. Got Steamboat Willie. How much is this Harry Potter one? 400? Good lord. Looks cool. Got the Flintstones here. And we're going to have to visit one of our favorite shops here. We like our soap. Making a quick stop to Kay Jewelers here so Jessica can get her wedding ring all polished up and looking nice. Okay, so Kay Jewelers isn't taking care of, what's it called?
Ring inspections.
So Kay Jewelers isn't doing ring Just to let you know, Kay Jewelers is not doing ring inspections right now. They are making it good through December. So if you need to bring your ring up here to get polished and shined, don't do it because they're not doing it right now. For all you little kiddos out there that like Build-A-Bear workshops, got one here up at Kenwood Mall. We're interested in that one over there though. Disney store is finally back open. We're going to go in and take a look. There is a bit of a line out here, so we're going to have to wait a little while, see. Hopefully it's not too long of a wait. Outside the Disney store here, they do have these signs here so you can keep 6 feet apart. I want to point out, since the Disney store has been closed for so long, they still have a lot of their Easter plushies out here, and we're going to get one of these mystery Mickey eggs. And we're going to get a couple mystery eggs. Maybe do a little reveal of these when we get out of the mall later. Hey Jess, I think this is your shirt. They have really loaded up the Disney store here since reopening. We're going to check it out. I'm going to try and point out some of the really cool things they got here. Oh, I love this. Did you see this, honey? MIC. KEY. Pretty cool. Are you an original Mouseketeer? Love this jacket. You gotta look at the prices when you come into Disney store too. They usually have a lot of good sales. This jacket's 20% off. It is $40. We should get something like this so Mickey can always serve us our cookies. Mrs. Potts teapot there. Did you see how much that was?
50 something.
Oh. We'll come back. All these nice mugs up here. They do have some Disneyland gear. Pretty awesome. Look what Jess found. Think I'm gonna have to get him. A whole Star Wars section here. Love it. Right next to it, they got a big Marvel section. Sweet. They do sell the Disney face mask in here. Pretty cool. Got, it looks like Max.
Hulk, I think.
Oh, there's Hulk, yeah.
Goofy.
Goofy, Black Panther, Mickey. I like this one. Lots and lots of plushies. Oh yeah. I like how they got it broken down too. They got it. Here's the Lion King section. Got the Muppets here. Cool little Mickey there. Here's a neat one here. We got the old Merlin. Merlin's beard. Got the Fab Five all lined up. And some Toy Story. Nice little section here if you're expecting. All kinds of newborn stuff.
Should we open this part first? So it's like this pair.
Okay, so unfortunately the film cut out as we were opening them. Opening the eggs, but we put them back in here so we can reveal them for you. Go ahead and do yours.
I got Pluto.
And I got, gosh, Goofy.
Yay!
Pretty cool. They're like $5 at Kenwood Mall. They got a bunch of them, so go buy some. Well, that's going to do it here for us today at Kenwood Mall. We had a great day. Got some good food. Went to the Disney store. Got a lot of gifts. Visited the Lego store. Pretty awesome day. With all that being said, we're out. And remember, the adventure is out there.